The Genoa National Fish Hatchery got their hands on some fish eggs never before studied at their station. News 19's Bowen Kudrovich was at the hatchery. So, Bowen, what were they studying?
Well, Heather, for the first time, the hatchery is experimenting on how low thiamine levels can affect the next generation of landlocked Atlantic salmon. Thiamine is a vitamin needed by all living cells, and the lack of it could potentially cause a decline of population in certain fish. The hatchery tested 4 different treatments, using 2 different sources of brood stock and using a thiamine booster on one of each treatment groups. The eggs are then put into trays that copy what the nest would be like. Hatchery officials say that the study helps make sure the fish have a good chance of survival once they are stocked out in the wild.
It's been a big problem in the Great Lakes for a long time with that thiamine deficiency with the alewives that have came in. So this is really trying to give us some best practices for how we collect our brood stock, how we spawn, that kind of thing, so we can be the most efficient.
The hatchery also performed the same process on rainbow trout eggs. And Heather, the hatchery will monitor the eggs daily to keep track of their survival throughout their lifespan.
All right, sounds interesting. Thanks, Bowen. The rainbow trout will stay at the hatchery for about 16 months before stocked in area waters, and the salmon eggs will be transferred over to the Midwest Fisheries Center in Onalaska, where they'll complete that study.